do I need to own an entire Bitcoin to be able to trade it? Hello, technical analysis fans. This is Coach Victor here at Safehouse, and today I want to talk to you about the question we've been getting very often the past few days. Let's get cooking.
Before you continue, please pause the video and read this trade disclaimer. None of the information contained here is financial advice. This is only for educational purposes.
All right, let's get into it. Today, we are going to talk about a different type of question, not necessarily having to do with technical analysis. The price of Bitcoin at the moment, or at the recording of this video, is 43,500 on Bybit, BTC USD pair, as you can see. And one of the questions we've been receiving lately is, well, do I need to own one entire Bitcoin? In other words, do I need to invest that much capital just to be able to take my first few steps? And the answer is a very clear no. Just like it is possible to own fractional shares or parts of an entire share of a stock, for example, Apple, it is also possible to own fractional shares or parts of a Bitcoin. In other words, you don't have to own an entire Bitcoin to be able to enter possible trade setups. This means if you, let's say, have $100 in disposable income that you would like to use for trading, then you can buy fractional shares of a stock with it, for example, to invest, or you can buy fractional shares of a Bitcoin with it, so to speak, or parts of a Bitcoin to also invest or possibly to trade, depending, and then use that capital to take your trades. Now, if you think, well, that's not very much, what difference is that going to make? Well, you have to start somewhere, of course, but the definite recommendation is that you do not risk any capital at all if you don't know what you are doing. It is much more important to get yourself a proper education first and actually learn how to take those first steps properly before you risk losing all of your capital. This is a very important point that many newer traders miss, and they jump right in without the proper preparation. There's also demo accounts available on brokers, on crypto exchanges such as Bybit. There's a fantastic demo account feature that you can use to test out your possible theories or trade setups so that you do not risk any capital. This is also very important to keep in mind. The following question that we get asked is, can I use leverage to increase my position size if I don't have that much capital? The answer is yes, you can. You can do it on brokers, you can do it on crypto exchanges. The problem with that is that when you take a loss, it will be a much bigger loss than that account can actually handle. And cumulatively over time, that will probably destroy your entire account, especially if you are just beginning with trading. So fingers of the leverage button would be the recommendation there. And even better, just start with a demo account to get into it slowly. If you're interested in these concepts and how we actually approach the markets and how we look at trade setups using technical analysis and also advanced software to see what's going on behind the scenes, then join us at Safehouse Vanguard. The link is in the description below. And we still have a 2-week trial available for you to check everything out at no cost and no risk. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.
Elevate your mastery in trading. Join the Safehouse Vanguard today.